Second is this, the Double Heart Coaster. We showcase this as part of Z Fun Week in June. We have two models, 70 meters, so about 230 feet, a real hyper coaster, as well as a 50-meter model, which is 164 feet. Both are going to be fantastic experiences. We think they're the boldest Zamperla coasters we've come up with to date. I love them for a few reasons. First, obviously, the experience. We have coasters that are offering something very different than our competitors. I love the ride because it starts out with 3 launches, 2 forward, 1 backward. After that, you're going to go up over the top, experience some awesome negative Gs. Elisa, our key mathematician who's behind all the roller coasters, loves negatives, and you're going to pop over the top and feel it. It's going to be great. After that, we have a twisting vertical dive that heads straight toward the ground, and then 2 inversions, an Immelman and a dive loop. All of these things are going to combine to offer a fantastic coaster experience in a very compact footprint. In addition, this is going to offer fantastic capacity. I love it because our 1-train model can offer 500 to 600 people per hour. The 2-train versions with the turntable you saw can do up to 1,000 people per hour. These aren't just numbers on paper, these are practical applications you can do with the roller coaster. If you check out the Lightning vehicle, you see the rows are really wide between the seats. The seats are really comfortable. And from an operator's perspective, you can actually move people through the ride. I know I've been involved in projects before. We had a theoretical capacity that was one level and a practical capacity that was quite different. We're working to make sure that all the rides that we put forward can really meet the spec sheets that are on paper.